Hi everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I have here. I have what is called the Sundry pouch. So let's see what the Sundry pouch looks like. This is it here. So it's got some, uh, you know, the things here that you can connect up. I guess you can put those through here to give yourself some loops. We'll give that a try here in a second. Let's open this up. There's no instructions, so let's go here. But it's like a pouch here, so we got a good little pouch to put things in here. So that's kind of nice. And then we have this section here where I think you could put some firearms or something like that into this other section if you really wanted to have something like that. But me, probably use it for dog treats or something like that. Just a nice little pouch or tools. You know, right now I'm currently doing a lot of volunteer work and stuff, so I needed some. It'll be nice to actually carry around some tools. So I'm showing you guys how we can put those through here. If I put that through there, it kind of pulls on itself, so it gives me a loop. So I can do that again over here on this one. So you have lots of different settings. So right now I'm just setting it just at this one here. You can put it through any of the other ones, and now I have myself a loop. I can put it through my belt or whatever. I don't even have a belt on currently, but I could do that. I could, put a string around it and have it wherever, or, just lots of different options for it. It's got the strongest Velcro. Look at all that Velcro. There's like a tremendous amount of Velcro, so you can go there. Inside, you have the two sections. You have this section here and the section there. It looks like this section here you could Velcro closed, even if you wanted to do like that, and then have this pouch open here, which for my tools and things as I'm walking around, this actually might be good for screws and stuff like that. It's got a little hole in the bottom. You see that little hole there? So that's kind of good. So if it gets wet or whatever, it'll drain from the bottom. So if you have small screws, maybe you don't want them in that section. And this big section here had the Velcro too, so you could readjust whatever the size of these little loop things are in here. And they do have some stretchiness to them as well. It's very well made. Super strong pouch, so you can use this for pretty much anything. It probably for tactical gear and whatnot. It says Sundry pouch, so I guess it would be, you can guess what that would be for. And there we go. And this is it. It looks nice and very solid, and I like it. So very well stitched as well. Just looks like a nice little pouch, and I like the way it's black, so not some weird camouflage color or something. So I like it. Thumbs up.